guys, good morning. It's your girl, well, evening, sorry, it's your girl Ruth. Yeah, today I'm going to try to saute some fruits and vegetables. Well, some fruits. Frozen bananas, apple chunks, blueberries, and mixed fruit. I don't know, experimental. Wish I had like some sherbet or something to go with it, but okay. So this is how it's looking, y'all. Waiting for it to heat up. And then I'll come back and show y'all the results. Okay. Oh yeah, I also forgot to show y'all what oil I use. Sunflower oil, grapeseed oil. This is what I used to start sauteing it. Okay, I'll be back. Hold on. Oh yeah, and I'm also drinking this tea I found at Walmart. I love my brain. Herbal tea tonic. A lot of good health benefits. And for all different type of people. It helps. Yeah, y'all can see the benefits, ingredients that it has. Very good stuff. Yeah, so while we're waiting on my stuff to be done, it's just falling now, simmering. So I'll be back again. Yeah, I also add a little turmeric in it, just because it's so good. So yeah, it's organic turmeric. Okay. Just a quick look, y'all. Simmering down good. I'm gonna taste a little bit. See if I need to add anything. Yeah. I should add some ice cream or something to put on top. Homemade ice cream. Ooh, one day, yeah. Might venture into that. So far, it's good. It's sweet like it is. Few more seconds, y'all. Y'all just thought about it. I didn't have my molasses for today. So I think I'm going to put some on top of it. It's looking good. Give it a little sweet taste. A lot of people don't like molasses. That's okay. Don't have to. But yeah, y'all, that's my finished product. Let me see. Let this work. And give a little taste. And see what I created. Y'all, it's good. And I'm not lying. So, let me enjoy it. It's something I'm trying not to eat all that heavy food. So when I get hungry, I'm trying to make a snack. So I'll be eating this. I'm drinking my little brain tea. So yeah, y'all. Thanks again for listening. It's your girl Ruth. Like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever y'all want to do. Alright. How pretty that look. Okay, bye.